Greetings. In this particular video, I want to find the radius of curvature, r, of a curved line by an alternative method. There are different ways of doing it. But this particular one, I think, has the advantage of not using trig functions at all, and also avoiding the use of the chain rule. And I think out of all of them, this one is the most straightforward way of doing it. So we begin by writing down the general equation of a circle, which is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared, where x and y are variable, a, b, and r are constant. Now we're going to differentiate with respect to x, and that will give us 2 bracket x minus a plus 2 bracket y minus b dy dx, which I've written as y dash, equals 0, and so y dash or dy dx is a minus x over y minus b. And then I've squared both sides of that. If you've got y dash squared equals a minus x squared over y minus b squared, and now I've used the original equation for the circle to replace a minus x all squared by r squared minus y minus b squared, and the denominator y minus b squared remains the same, and that leads us to simplifying the fraction there, r squared times y minus b to the power of minus 2, and then minus 1. Now, we differentiate a second time, and then we'll have 2 dy dx times d2y dx squared, which I've written as a y double dash, and then that's equal to minus 2r squared minus times y minus b to the power minus 3 times dy dx. And that becomes, after manipulating a little bit, y minus b cubed equals minus r squared over d2y dx squared. Now, from equation 1, we have y minus b to the power minus 2 equals 1 plus dy dx squared all over r squared, and that leads to the equation quite easily of y minus b squared equals that expression turned upside down, so it's r squared over 1 plus dy dx all squared. So I'm now going to square both sides of 2 and cube both sides of 3, and what we'll end up then with is the following equation, that r to the power 4 over d2y dx squared all squared equals r to the power 6 divided by 1 plus dy dx squared cubed. And that means when after simplifying, we'll get r squared equals 1 plus dy dx squared all cubed divided by d2y dx squared squared. And then finally, taking the square root of both sides, we'll have r equals 1 plus y dash squared. The whole bracket is raised to the power 1.5 or 3 over 2, and the denominator just becomes y double dash or d2y dx squared. Okay, and that does it. Thanks very much for listening.